The Toyota Corolla is the best-selling nameplate in the world with over 50 million units sold since 1966. Therefore, every new generation is a crucial step for the Japanese automaker. The imaginary next-generation Toyota Corolla Sedan looks more premium than the current model thanks to the sleeker surfacing, stretched wheelbase, a more steeply raked windshield, and full-width lighting units. The silhouette is more aerodynamic, but not as much as in the new Toyota Prius, allowing a clear differentiation between the volumes. The front end looks similar to Toyota's BZ models, but the large intakes hint at the presence of a combustion engine under the bonnet. The tail is also an improvement compared to the current model, at least in our eyes, thanks to the slim LED lights and the more dynamic lines. Toyota currently offers a different design for the Corolla Sedan depending on the market, with the Europe spec model looking more restrained than their North American sedan, which is more similar to the hatchback.